Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You see Unlicensed Product at the top, Act Now. First, confirm which features are blocked and the account associated with this installation, because that determines your options. If you have a product key or purchase receipt, keep it ready. Once done, decide whether you'll activate the product, use limited offline functionality, or switch to a free alternative. Make sure to close background updates and back up any open documents to avoid data loss while you take the next step. Now continue by adapting to the product's current state. Use core editing tools that remain enabled and export finished files as PDF to preserve layout. If saving to cloud is blocked, use Save as to local folders or a USB drive. Once you've exported what you need, consider opening the file in a free viewer or an online editor to complete advanced changes. Make sure to monitor feature behavior so you can document what's missing when you contact support or prepare to finish the process by activating or replacing the software. Sign in with the licensed account or enter your product key to unlock features. If you don't have a license, purchase through the official vendor or switch to a supported free alternative. Once activation is attempted, restart the app and verify the status. If activation fails, record any error codes, double-check network and account details, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip is to run the built-in activation troubleshooter after a reboot before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.